Hi all, welcome back to BLR Knowledge Center. So in this session, we'll look at regular expressions in the Go language. So using Go language, how you are going to define a regular expression and how you are going to use that regular expression against strings to find out matching words or matching strings. And also we'll see like different kind of regular expressions being used in the Go language. So to define a regular expression in Go language, so we need to import regex, a regular expression package as part of import, the command. And then you need to start writing of your statements to match out your defined regular expression. Okay, so Go regular expression package is used for searching a string and to match the given string in the given kind of a file or whole string. So to such a string, we need to provide a pattern of the string. So we need to compile the pattern into regular expression object so that we can invoke methods through it, right? So to define and compile your regular expression pattern into a regular expression object, so we have to use a compile method. So the regex object, a package containing this method compile so and also must compile functions. So now we can use these functions to find strings such as a find string and find string submatch or find string index kind of stuff. Okay, if you want to define more on this, so there's regular expression Go language. Okay, Go language regular expression, right? So the regex regular expression object can be retrieved by using compile and must compile methods. Okay, so to find out, so the string such as a uh, find string, this is one method, and find string submatch, this is another method, and also find string index. So these all no I think the functions we are going to use it in our demonstration part. Now let's get into this demonstration part. So now how we are going to write a regular expression. I'm just creating reg demo.go. This is my file name, regular expression demo. And as usual, I'll start with main and I'll import package called regex and also the default format package. So once I import these two, then the next step is we are going to define the main function, that is a func main, right? Here, what I'm doing is I'm going to define a regular expression, regex regular expression dot must compile. Okay, here I'm going to specify the pattern is .com. Okay, so once I compile this regular expression object, I'll get the compile and must compile methods into this object. Now I'll use fmt dot println. Okay, re dot. When I say re dot, I'll see find related methods here. Find all, find index, find string index, find string submatch, find string submatch index, find all submatch index, find reader index. There are a lot of methods. You can see all these here. I'll only pick up some methods here and demonstrate as part of this demo. So I'll take a find string here, find string. So I'll specify my string here like google.com, right? This is my string. And in this string, if this .com pattern is matching or not. That's what I'm going to do it here. Okay. And similarly, fmt dot print of ret dot same find string of and abc.org, and similar way print ln of red dot find string of fb.com. Okay, so if you look at here, this is what my regular expression pattern I was defining here, that is .com. So this is being compiled and stored into this object, regular expression object. So I must use compile, must compile methods here, and this object is having regular expression stuff. So when I run this particular program, so go run uh, regular expression demo. Now you can see the output here is it has been displayed .com. So this .com is identified here and here. Okay, this is not identified. If you specify this also as .com, and if you run it, it will display all three strings having that particular string, and then it display the string as well, right? So this is a basic example of having a find string using regular expression. Suppose if I use another method find string index, so let us say I'll just take this example and here, and I'll say find string index. Now see what it happens. So it will display the index of your string. That means it started from 6 to 10. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it started from 6. And these remaining characters being added, that is 4, and total is 6, 6 and 10. Okay. And similar way, you can take another example of this, right? And use this find string index, and then see, I would expect like uh 0, 1, 2, 2 plus 4, 2 of 4 it should display, 2 of 6 it is y. Okay, combination of adding this 4 to this 2, total string length it is displaying 6, so it is displaying total string here, correct? Okay, and a similar way, I think you can use other methods also, so that you will be knowing like how it is finding out. Now we'll try another method called find string submatch. Okay, I'll copy this method. Okay, and I'll use find substring match. Okay, find submatch index, or I think I'll use find string submatch. Okay, now see what it is getting displayed in the output. If you look at here, it has been displayed .com. That means what substring it has been matched. So inside of this substring has been matched, right? So now what I will do is I'll change this regular expression to another regular expression now. So I'll use .com now here, and I'll change it to different regular expression and see like how it is working. So I'll say f of, okay, that means my word start with f, and having A to Z characters only small, and plus and in. Okay, so what I'm trying to compile the regular expression was flying. Okay, flying, flying, right? So now I'm going to use this pattern and identify the stuff in the given strings. When I run this, it doesn't get anything because no flying word here, right? So I'm going to give another string here saying that flying. Okay. And now when I run it, nothing happened. Flying. Wow. Think what it was flying. This is F and then A to Z and plus ing. So find string submatch and flying. And when I say flying, I think it should get displayed here. Okay, I have to remove the space. I think it's something like that. So we'll try now again. Yeah, now it is displayed as flying. So the word you have mentioned is flying, and ly was no submatch. So this f is matched already. Ly was a submatch inside of this thing, and eng was anyway it's a correct string. Okay, and similar way you give another word, and this time I'll use a long string. X, Y, Z, ABCD, floating. Okay, and ABCD. Now, when I run this, now you see it has been displayed floating load. So in the regular expression, so F was started, and then this is the word has been matched with my A to Z, and anyway, the last is padding with ing. Okay, when I give some space here, see now, if you look at here, same thing has been derived. If I give a space here, my word, and see that how it is displaying, it does not display anything because it is always considering the string as a single word, and then it is matching. If you give like this is one word, this is one word, this is one word. In this entire word, F is matching out, LOE to matching out. But this ing is not matching here, hence it is not picking this word. Even here also F is not matching. Suppose if I give this eng here and flying, and in between flying, and see what is happening. Now look at here, the first word it has taken, only this word it has taken. It doesn't take, other words, even if you match it. And see here, now it is taking entire string here. In the entire string, this was the matching word, loading, flying, A, B, flew. Okay, and if I give another stuff, right, it won't take because A to Z doesn't have a number, right? Only till this it has matched. Okay, so this is about how to use a regular expression in the Go language using the must compile a method to compile the pattern into an object, and then find string and find string index and find string submatch. So there are a couple of other methods also. You have it inside of your regular expression object. So thanks for listening this video, and I hope you understand how to use a regular expression in Go language and how to match the pattern into a specific string, and then you now get the output based on the built-in methods inside of regular expression object. Thanks for listening this video, and please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.